Welcome to Best For You. In today's fast-paced world, keeping up with constant cleaning can be challenging. That's where robot vacuums come in handy. These smart devices, with their powerful cleaning technology and intelligent features, effortlessly clean every corner of your home while saving you time and energy. Plus, one product is currently 50% off. Now, let's explore the best robot vacuums together. 1. Roborock Q7 Max. Firstly, with its support for 2.4G Wi-Fi, this robot vacuum flawlessly cleans every corner of your home, ensuring stability by recommending a switch to 2.4G Wi-Fi. Enjoy 7 weeks of hands-free cleaning with the auto-empty dock, which automatically empties your robot after cleaning sessions, giving you more time back. With a powerful 4200 PA suction power, the Q7 Max Plus easily lifts debris and pet hair from floors, providing deep cleaning on carpets. Its ability to vacuum and mop simultaneously allows it to easily remove fine dust and adjust cleaning according to floor types and preferences. Thanks to PreciSense LiDAR navigation, it accurately maps your home, unlocks smart cleaning functions, and can even be viewed in 3D. The combination dustbin and water tank allow for more cleaning, while the long battery life provides up to 180 minutes of uninterrupted cleaning. Finally, the resilient rubber brush system and 4-axis movement ensure more effective cleaning. To read thousands of real user reviews about the product and, if you wish, make a purchase, check the links in the description. 2. LEFFANT Robot Vacuum Cleaner. First off, if you have pets at home, you'll love the LEFFANT M210. Its unique brushless suction port effortlessly tackles pet hair and dirt, ensuring a thorough clean every time. Now, let's talk about its compact design. Measuring just 11 inches in diameter and 2.99 inches in height, this robot vacuum easily navigates under furniture for a deep clean in hard-to-reach places. With 6 different cleaning modes, including auto clean, spot clean, edge clean, and more. You can customize your cleaning experience to suit your needs. Plus, with the LEFFANT app, you can control the vacuum schedule and settings right from your phone. Speaking of smart features, the LEFFANT M210 is compatible with voice control via Alexa or Google Assistant, allowing you to command your vacuum with just your voice. And let's not forget about its upgraded FreeMove Technology 2.0, which helps the robot navigate around obstacles and avoid getting stuck during cleaning sessions. With a long-lasting lithium iron phosphate battery, the LEFFANT M210 provides up to 120 minutes of runtime, ensuring thorough cleaning without interruption. This product is currently 50% off. Hopefully, you can snag it before the discount ends. 3. RVacnic Robot Vacuum Cleaner 3000 PA 3000 PA Cyclone Cleaning System. Equipped with powerful suction, the RVacnic enhances cleaning efficiency by 30%, effortlessly vacuuming dust, pet hair, and debris from various surfaces. Smart app and voice control. You can personalize your cleaning needs from anywhere using your phone or voice commands. With compatibility with Alexa or Google Assistant, you can clean your home even while sitting on the couch. Designed for pet owners. Featuring a special anti-tangle design, the RVacnic collects pet hair more effectively and comes with a large dustbin for easy cleaning. 6 cleaning modes. Choose from auto cleaning, spot cleaning, edge cleaning, scheduled cleaning, manual control, and zigzag cleaning to tailor your cleaning experience. Hassle-free remote control. With an easy-to-use remote control, you can effortlessly command the device without the need for mobile phones or internet access. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to like the video. 4. Tcom G8000 Pro 2 in 1. Sweeping and mopping. Say goodbye to dirt and grime with the G8000 Pro's advanced mopping technology, delivering a spotless home with adjustable water output for customized cleaning. 4500 PA strong suction. With powerful suction capabilities, this robot vacuum effortlessly tackles crumbs and debris, leaving your carpets and hard floors immaculately clean. 150 mAh runtime and self-charging. Enjoy uninterrupted cleaning sessions with a long-lasting battery that supports up to 150 minutes of runtime. Plus, the robot automatically returns to its charging station when the battery is low. Gyroscope smart navigation. Unlike random path robotic vacuums, the G8000 Pro navigates your home efficiently with a zigzag path, ensuring thorough cleaning with a 30% improvement in efficiency. APP and voice and remote control. Take control of your cleaning experience with the Tcom app, offering 5 cleaning modes including smart, edge, spot, random, and manual cleaning. You can also connect to Alexa and Google Home for hands-free operation, and there's a convenient remote control included. Experience the future of cleaning with the Tcom G8000 Pro. By sharing your experiences with these products in the comments, you can help others make informed decisions.